how are the rules stored and edited? Let's take a quick tour. You can view the trading rules by clicking on the Rules tab. Some simpler account rules can also be changed in the Settings menu, which covers Admin, System Preferences, and General Settings. Let's return to the main Rules section. Settings are organized logically, such as by execution choice, which selects how you trade, for instance, algo, fixing, or swap, netting rules, splitting procedures for larger tickets, and counterparty choices, including directing business to preferred dealers. Let's go to RFQ selection. It's possible to select specific dealers for a trade, and we can go even further, acting as the perfectly programmed API to the trader's mind. This means recording the trader's preferred approach and automatically showing business to the right counterparties for any currency pair, for any size, and for any time of day. Rather than the trader spending hours looking up credit limits, referring to TCA, and clicking buttons, we handle it all automatically in seconds. First, the rules are preset to cover every scenario. The menu shows different setups covering all of the combinations of major and minor currencies. Let's click on US dollar versus the majors. In this example, RFQ preferences have been set up to choose the number and identity of the dealers who will quote in instances when the trader has decided he wants to go to RFQ. The trader can edit his rules for the individual currency pairs or the transaction type, spot, forward, or swap. In this instance, the trader has set up different rules for small trades below $5 million, medium between $5 million and $150 million, and larger size trades, because that's how the trader views the world and makes decisions. The green shaded selection shows what attributes for dealers he wants to select, and the reds show what attributes he wants to make sure to exclude, such as dealers in the virtual penalty box. Clicking the Preview button lets you see exactly which entities will be asked to quote according to the logic set up. In this instance, Barclays, Deutsche Bank, HSBC, and UBS come up, although these names will update dynamically as conditions change. Any of the selection criteria can be edited by selecting from a simple drop-down menu. Examples are average distance to the mid and most recent winner in that currency pair. This functionality allows the trader to set up priorities in advance, run experiments, and reward dealers who are most successful. Here, we can also select an entity from our Heat Up list to make sure we show more business to someone who is below our target or promised level of business this month. Our library of rules is straightforward, well-organized, and intuitive. BuysideFX, rules-based trading so powerful it's simple.